Morning, Matthew. Stop handcrafted.
Still is.
How are you feeling? Danny's not well.
Dan's not well.
I'm going to stand like my distance with you boys today.
14-hour flight to go home. If you give me that, I'm going to be not happy
sit
with
next
you.
to you, hug you
Yeah.
all the way home.
Ray's on it.
Hello.
Foursomes to finish. We're going to go back to foursomes. We've got 18 holes, so 2 9s left. Dan's not feeling great.
You've won the tour.
I've won.
Well done.
Well, not skins, isn't it? I played like
You
a-
shouldn't have won anything day one, really.
No, I shouldn't. I should have lost everything.
After
Yeah. How many points do you have, Ray?
3.
3.
Sorry, I was waving away a fly.
How many points do you have, Matthew?
2 do I have?
Yeah.
2.
Dan's got 1, so you can get 3.
I can get 4.
Sorry,
No,
yeah,
I
you got
can
2,
get
so you
4.
can get 4.
I can get joint second.
And Rory he's guaranteed 4 if you get 4.
Yes.
Because I'm playing with Ray this morning, which means you're playing with him this afternoon, so that point would be shared.
It's irrelevant, but I can get to 5.
Say that again?
It's irrelevant, but I can get to 5.
Which would push me to 6, I guess, would it?
You're on 6 already.
Oh, am I? Push me to 7 then, wouldn't it? So we're going to do the front 9 that you saw the other day whenever you watched it, and the back 9 today. Let's get stuck in. Best course maybe some of us have ever played. Alright, Danny boy.
He is not well.
It's funny colour.
Your eyes don't look
Yeah,
right.
you
Oh,
don't.
should I put my shades on?
Did you go to sleep? Did you get some sleep? Were you like out for the count, or were you up?
In and out, in and out.
Like fluey,
Sweaty.
It's cold sweats.
Yeah, yeah, you've got the bug. Just go back and sit in the buggy, bruh.
Just back it up a bit.
You're in the buggy. With
Get
me.
him raised, buddy.
Do we get a shot here, Ray?
No.
No, go on.
You do you?
No, but. Oh, that's perfect. Just kick off the bank. Down onto the green in the OE. Oh, hit the tree.
That hit something hard.
It's gone.
Lost
That
ball.
was a good shot.
That was like literally 2 yards from being maybe perfect.
Close to the green that was, wasn't it?
Yeah, you bomb it now, don't you?
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It is good. It's a real joy. It's like properly like watching your kid ride the bike for the first time, isn't it?
Keep going! Keep going, that's it, well done!
Yeah, I'm still holding on.
Oh, he's fallen off. 3 hours more practice needed.
Good
Yeah.
shot, Ray. Well done.
Well done, Ray.
Very good.
Cut into the middle.
Partner. Partner
Got
driving.
you, bruh.
Lovely.
114, partner.
There with.
Didn't kick the right way out of that tree.
Oh, what were you using here?
Pro V.
I'm in my pocket. Is Pro V not Pro V on X?
It's normal. It's the ones you gave me last night.
The normal one.
Yeah.
Number 1 ball in golf, you say?
You're gonna have to recalibrate for that now. Do some maths.
Yeah, it's got a little less spin, this one. Well, not from this distance, probably. Well, we'll have a little there, boom, boom, yeah?
Yep, I like the sound of that. There, boom, boom.
114?
Let me hear you say wayo.
Did you say 114?
Yeah.
I need to dig this some then. Yeah, I knew I could do that.
Bit tuggy.
Get up, get up.
Stay there.
We're on the green.
We're
mate,
putting.
all that matters.
We are putting.
What you got, Danny boy?
I've got a low little chasing chip out.
Oh, I can see you. Do you like this?
These don't really bother me, to be honest. Lovely.
Kick left, get up through the grass.
Go on. Go on.
Let's try in. Didn't need much more, did it?
That, Matt.
Yeah, good shot that.
You could probably putt that.
Right, walking up onto the green, beautiful drop-offs. Matt's just short. We're going to see a lovely chip. I'm just past pin eye but pulled off the slope. Yeah, lovely morning dew zipper. I like a morning dew zipper. You not feeling that?
Not a zipper, no.
Morning dew zipper?
Just a nice little donker. Missed that leaf on the edge there. Basically.
Go on then.
Donk, missed it.
Get up. Didn't quite throw it far enough. Digging out. Good putt. I don't need my putter really, Ray. You've been putting well. Leave it in. Off the left. Your left, yeah?
Yeah. You can see a trail already.
Yep. That missed low as well.
Needs to travel.
It's good. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Oh no, it doesn't. That's a very good putt.
Very good, Ray.
Is that your ball?
Yeah, I'll let that one next. Right, Danny boy, for the half.
You know this is going in, don't you?
Me and Ray have already won at foursomes, haven't we?
Yeah, in the 9L.
Do I have to get naked again?
You can if you want.
Well, is that the rule every time I play with Rory?
Should be everyone's rule.
Yeah, it should be just channel rule. We're 2 club lengths and you gotta be naked if you win with Rory at foursomes.
Stay up.
No, low.
That's a slightly ill weak putt from Danny.
Dewy, aren't
Come
they?
on, get that. Get pumped up, Dan. Come on.
Pump yourself down.
Last day and all.
Yeah. That was the weakest tap of so tap tap.
Your honour.
Oh yeah, we won that hole,
You
didn't we?
did, you won that. Par 4, second hole, 380. Little dog leg right.
It's just gone up 10 degrees.
Yeah. Sun's come out, up 10 degrees.
That's my favourite hillock.
Yeah,
Pretty cool, isn't
Proper movie scene, isn't it?
it is.
it? That's Kong Island stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, a good shot.
Perfect.
Lovely.
Perfect.
Right, thank you.
New move today, Dan, or not?
Go low down. Come on.
Oh dear.
Jeez. Hmm?
That's a nice one, actually, ball fly.
Cool.
Can't see much
Lovely.
length coming out of me today,
No?
Unlike other days.
unlike all the other days, yeah.
Lovely.
Oh,
Shot.
wow, have you hit?
90 mile an hour club head speed.
That was very toey, was it?
Very toey that,
Yeah.
wasn't it?
Perfect.
I nearly roofed.
Yeah, it was a funny flight, wasn't it?
Middle, Dan, middle.
Yeah.
Fairway
ball is good. Well, it's gone forward. Yeah. So that's good, isn't it?
Looks very good.
So hard playing with the flu, isn't it? I played in a Devon.
The whole body
Stover.
achy.
Flew
Achy.
35
Horrible.
Yeah, well, even
Achiness.
worse, isn't it?
145? 9 iron. Do you think that's good?
I think that's
Shot on here?
No.
spot on.
It's about the fourth, I think, isn't it, Ray? Let's try.
Just up the left.
Good.
Oh. Ooh.
Well, you haven't hit your
That
shot
just
yet,
went a long
right?
way, did it?
Come on.
That went a very long way.
I would like to do a test on your irons because I would like to know how you do that.
Yeah.
Because I can't do it. I can't do that.
My irons in the studio when I arrive, the 7 iron goes 150.
Yeah, yeah,
And so
yeah.
that's 150 and I've just flown it with a 9.
yeah. We need to do a video on it because I just want to understand it. So my irons are all topping out the same generally, and then they're always falling off because I'm catching it thin. Like I'm never.
That's not a knuckleball though.
No, that was a nice flight, but you've obviously just presented loft or speed or both, which isn't what you would normally present with a 9. It would be good to understand it.
I agree.
Because I, as a golfer, I have never played golf like that. I've always been short rights.
Yeah.
That's why I went back to blades. Because when I used the knuckleball irons, I did start flying a few greens and I hated it.
Yeah.
Because if I hit my short right one now, I see it and I'm just putting up the green.
Well, you're doomed, aren't you? Because you're using blades as well.
Yeah, I know.
We don't get as many as them as we
Not as
used
many,
to, but
no.
I would like to understand how he does it.
I just think I get launch,
Because what happens
spin
is
loft, everything like perfect.
but I think what happens then is you learn to play more floaty irons. Like that. So I have like a slight draw which will max out, and then I'm never, you notice I'm always playing like a feather.
Yeah.
And I'm always taking more clubs. So sometimes we're one club different, but sometimes we go 2.
Yeah.
Because you're going bomb and I'm always trying to be
Yeah.
shorter. Like Blicky, you know, how we
Yeah,
used to
yeah,
play.
yeah,
We should do it on it. It'd be nice to see why, and if you get it inside or not as well, it'd be interesting. Yadaz Reyes.
134.
What have we got?
Got a pitching wedge.
Yeah, I like that.
Alright.
I know how that one works.
Yeah, you mastered that yesterday.
Oh my goodness.
You mastered that chip there. That one.
Get down that slope.
Oh, Ray's expecting me to master that now, is he?
Not an easy shot.
Mark assessing. Ray is pin eye but left. I have gone 10-15 long here, chipping down the green. Dan did have a similar shot yesterday. He was more over near you actually. He's right in between us actually, wasn't he?
The pin was one of these ones.
Oh yeah, pins moved too.
I reckon his was harder.
Yeah, you're
And
right.
I'm gonna hit this not as close.
Oh, thanks for bringing that, Danny boy. I'm expecting you to stiff it again. It's already in my head.
I like the way Ray. Oh, he has. I was hoping he was going to stand by the buggy to see if he needed a putter or a wedge. He's just strolled down with a putter.
Confident. How's it sitting?
Sitting fine.
Down a little bit, but
Down a little. Yeah, looks not too. Oh yeah, it's a little bit of a clump behind, isn't it?
yeah. I mean, for me, that's down.
That's down.
Yeah.
But not a bad
melting
thing
yet?
for this shot. No beads yet.
Oh, that's good.
Just shiny.
Oh, does anyone want to talk through what they would do
Yeah, I would pitch it in between those leaves on the left.
with not much loft?
I went lower yesterday.
Yeah, well that's what I've got.
With like a
I've got
50.
50 and a 60.
Yeah, like a 50 in that bump.
You know, I'm feeling 60 just on those leaves and beyond. Like if I hit those leaves, it's short and he can putt. If I land it just above them, I reckon it'll pop down lovely.
Okay.
But I'm not saying I'm right, because I hear your low one as well.
About there.
Good shot.
Oh yeah.
That's beautiful.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, Rory, you can pick that up.
You say that's brilliant. Do you not say I hit that?
Yeah, I know. I like
Thanks,
that.
That is
You
brilliant.
could give me 10 goes at that, and that's the only one in the green that Langkawi close.
Your chipping's been decent this week, I would say.
Oh, Dan's owled it. Oh,
Couldn't land that far, could he? I had to get it like barely moving.
that hit the pin. That was dropping, I reckon.
Yeah.
Didn't you?
Yeah.
Good shot, Dan.
Good
You
effort.
two nearly made them look very, very easy. Oh goodness.
It did run on, didn't it?
This might not be the best start in the world, Dan.
You never know.
This might be classed as a poor start.
A poor. And he hasn't had any shots yet. Maybe I should have gone with Ray first.
I didn't choose it. I chose it more because I want to enjoy my last round. Sorry, Ray.
It's your last 9.
I felt like me and you could have a little bit of fun. Sorry, me and Dan, I mean. Oh, he's pulled it. Pick it up, Reyes.
2 up. 2 up.
Me and my partner knew we would win this, Ray.
$176. What did you get yesterday?
I had an 8 yesterday.
I like 8.
Downwind yesterday, wasn't it?
But is it helping yesterday?
Yeah, lots.
I would definitely go 7 then.
7.
Well, that's a 190 club going on this
At
last
the
bit.
moment, yeah.
What you got, Ray?
I got 6.
Right, that long's good.
Yeah, exactly. I think I can get 7 there, but that's dependent on a very
What
good
shape shot are you going to hit?
Middle of the green with a bit of draw.
Bit of draw, yeah. Do you know why I was asking that or not?
Because you wanted to know.
No, because the way you teed it up.
Yeah, so you would tee it up over here.
No, I would be fading it. I'd be completely that tree. You're not seeing that tree just there.
That.
So if you're drawing it, you're probably not seeing it.
No.
Yeah.
Don't draw too much. Just calm down a little.
Back fringe.
Yeah. Very good.
Alright,
Did you
isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely. Flight.
Good, well played shot.
Yeah.
Intended.
As called.
That's
Yeah, I
cool.
like that. Did Matt say it's a chip? No, I thought it was a putt.
That's a chip.
Is it in the longer stuff, is it?
Well, it's disappeared, so I'm guessing that's a chip. Doesn't look very fringy around there.
No. Yeah, great shot.
Arrow.
Come on, be close then. That's right at it.
Arrow.
Flown the green.
Oh, a bit long. Bit long.
How hard is goal? 3 down, 2 of his best irons.
Right at it.
It was, wasn't it? Right at it.
Where? What did you just say?
Where are we sea level wise? You know what I mean? I know it's there.
Sea's just there.
But I mean, well, yeah, maybe I'm wrong. It's just there, isn't it?
Dad just said, "Where are we on sea level?"
You'll be in it in a minute. Right.
I think the humidity might be having an effect on the distance of the ball, but the altitude probably not.
Unless that sea's on top of a mountain. Well, this is harder than the one I just done.
Yeah, it probably is actually.
Really, I'm going lob wedge height. If it lands here and stops, I'm happy. If it lands here, I'm kind of perfect. If it lands here, it's 20 foot, isn't it?
Yeah. Just don't thin it because that's even worse as well.
I've hit one good chip, I'm happy. About there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's still going.
Great shot.
Basically, it needed to be in there, and you hope, didn't it? Was that there?
Great shot. Dan the man.
I've gone colour coordinated today with my shirt and the golf ball.
Lovely. Pink Truvis.
This is like your other one down, just little.
How is it that all your shots sit up nicely on your chip shot?
Sorry, just talking anything, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's that sea level stuff, isn't it?
That was a great question.
Yeah.
Delightful. Come on, don't leave me that. Don't leave me that. No.
Unlucky, that didn't really move on the first bounce, did it? Right, Reyes, putting well this week. Let's see.
Just coughed all over my shirt. Just coughed all over it. Thank you.
what you've got. This to stay at 2. Because I do think, like, I feel like Matt's holding. Unlucky. Straighter than you thought, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a lot straighter than I thought. That whole slope looks like it's just...
Right, he kind of just goes up the hill. I reckon it was not outside the hole, but I could see why you were there. That's always where I would miss that as well, to be honest. Just to go back to 1. Stays at 2, pick it up, pick it up. Stays at 2, yeah, you were really on the slope there. Second go. Yeah, that one does go in 2 goes. I probably didn't.
I'm not saying sorry.
No, sorry. These two are...
2 of the best shots of my life there.
You would have up down both of them.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It is good. It's a real joy. It's like properly like watching like your kid ride a bike for the first time, isn't it?
Keep going! Keep going, that's it, well done!
Yeah, I'm still holding on.
Oh, he's fallen off. 3 hours more practice needed.